Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to create and better manage your estimates. Whether the project is large or small, you can create estimates quickly, streamlined, and with electronic approval and signatures. The ability to do bulk and individual markups give you full control over your estimates and help ensure profitability. And the cost items database allows you to easily store and retrieve labor and material prices. Create professional estimates from cover to signature. Impress your clients with detailed customizable cover sheets, fully formatable with logos and pictures. Create one for your residential clients and one for your commercial clients. Easily drop in references and other pages to build up an awesome looking proposal. Estimating just got even faster. Estimate templates speed up estimating tenfold with less errors. Don't recreate that awesome looking estimate from scratch, use a template. Wow your customers with personalized proposals. We give you the ability to present it just how you want it. Go ahead and make yourself look good. If you can create a document in Word, you can create an awesome looking proposal. Our custom fields feature allows you to track the data that is important to you. The estimate is the heartbeat of the company. You know what works and what needs tracking. Like Contractor Foreman's estimating custom fields keep that heartbeat strong and not missing a beat. You can mark up line item or item type so you control your profit. Keep that control in your hands. We show you the profit at all times so that you have a realistic idea of where things stand. Need to make a little more off the project? Use our bulk markup tool and mark up all of your items at once. Want all material marked up another 10%? All labor marked up 5%? A few clicks and you've got it. No matter if you have 10 items or 100 items. Want to set the markup for all types of items to 14%? No problem. With our Kanban views, no longer will estimates get delayed because you didn't notice it. Our Kanban view sorts your estimates by columns based on status so that you can instantly see the estimates that are waiting on you or your client. Updating estimate status is as simple as dragging it from one column to another. Prefer to build your estimate in Excel or another system? We make it easy for you to import them into Contractor Foreman. Also, our integration with Creo allows you to send plans from Contractor Foreman into Creo to do takeoffs. That info can then easily be imported back into Contractor Foreman. Get more business by presenting client finance options right in the estimate. You can close jobs faster and get larger jobs with super fast client financing. Clients who finance their projects are willing to spend more money. Discover what you've been leaving behind. Get notified when your client opens your estimate. Have you ever sent an estimate to a client but never heard from them again? You are left wondering if they didn't like the number or if they didn't get the email. No more guesswork. We show you when the email was sent, delivered, opened, and clicked so that you can time your follow-up. You'll also receive notification once your client approves or declines the estimate online. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to increase your revenues and profits by better creating and managing your estimates.